Hello, YouTube. Big Poppy coming at you. Big Poppy gonna make him some beef and broccoli, Big Poppy style. Here's our meat, okay? And here's my broccoli. I'm gonna put it in the microwave in a minute, knock some of that ice off of it. But I got a skillet going here. There's my ingredients. I got some olive oil, sesame seed, some sesame oil, soy sauce, minced garlic, some better than bouillon beef, and some vinegar. In this bowl, I got some sweet peppers, some orange and red, and some onions, and then I got some mushrooms. This right here is something I've tried before in the past. I can't remember if I liked it or not. I think I'm gonna leave it out. I think it gave my food a bad taste. I was trying to keep it keto friendly. Okay? So, what we're gonna do, we're gonna get us some olive oil in our little thing here. Hope y'all doing okay. I know I am. Yep, I'm doing pretty good. I'm gonna put a little more. Yep, doing pretty good. Pretty good. Ain't got nothing to complain about. Yeah. I got a wok, but I think that thing is in Galveston. So we ain't gonna sweat it. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna move this back just a little bit and focus on what's going in the skillet. Okay? Just like that. I didn't shake you too much, did I? All right. We're gonna go ahead. We're gonna put our broccoli in the microwave. I got it on a minute and 26 seconds. We'll go ahead and drop our meat in. It's a little wet. Turn it down just a tad. Now you're probably saying, Big Papa, what kind of meat is that you're using? Well, that's a good question. That's Philly cheesesteak meat. I said, shoot, I got a whole bunch of this stuff. I gotta use this stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and let that cook down. I think it's gonna work out fine. Yep, I think it's gonna work out fine. What homeboy Willa Hut say? Brothers gonna work it out. But in this case, Poppy gonna work it out. Yeah. Yeah, turn it. I'll put just a little more meat in there. I want it good. Okay? We're just gonna let that cook up. Okay? If this turn out good, I'm gonna be doing it for the family. Right now, me and Miss Sylvia, the guinea pigs. Okay, we'll get back with you. And then either watching that cook all the way. Okay, y'all, we back. It done cooked down a little bit. We're gonna go ahead and add our vegetables. Let that cook down a little bit. So far, I'm happy. So far. Let that cook up just a little bit. Then we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna get us a little bit of this minced garlic in there. Maybe a half a teaspoon. Start out with a heaping half a teaspoon. Okay. Move that out of the way. Get that stirred around in there. It's smelling good. Okay. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to add some of these mushrooms. Just a little bit, just to give it some more meaty flavor. Okay, now we're going to go ahead. We're going to put a teaspoon of sesame seed oil. Oh boy. We're going to add a teaspoon of soy sauce. Get all that stirred around in there. From that, we're going to add just a little bit of this better than bouillon. About a half a teaspoon. Okay. Turn that flame down just a little more. It's smelling good, y'all. Not gonna add any salt because this soy sauce got salt in it. Then we're gonna get our broccoli. We're gonna add it to this. It's gonna put some liquid in there. And we'll see what it be like. Then we'll taste it. See how much more we're gonna need as far as seasonings go. Okay? Put all this broccoli in there. Okay? Because I'm sure I'm gonna need to add some more sauce. It's looking pretty good, y'all. Turn it down just a little bit more. Get it as low as I can get it. I could have put me some more broccoli in here. I think I will. Right after I get this little meat a little taste. If I can pick it up. Okay. I think I'm gonna leave that broccoli out of it. Tasting pretty good though. I'm gonna add me some more garlic to it. taste like. See if this broccoli getting some of that sauce in it. I think I'm gonna need some more. Maybe a little more soy sauce. Yeah, that's looking good. Some of these pieces of broccoli are a little too big for me. So go ahead and break it up. So all we're gonna do now, we're gonna put us a top on it. And we're gonna let that cook for a little while. Okay? All right. Okay, fam. There it is. It's looking pretty good to me. We're gonna see what it tastes like. I know it smells good. Let me give me one of these little pieces of broccoli. See how it's doing in that juice. Yep, I ain't gonna complain about that. Then y'all, I forgot to tell y'all when I was turning it off. When I was off, the recording was off, I put me 2 teaspoons of that white vinegar in there. And I think they brought the flavor out. And I may have added, all total, a tablespoon and a half of sesame oil. And then I did probably a full tablespoon of soy sauce. But there it is. Big Papa's finished with it. Smells good. Looks pretty darn good. It's nice and meaty and colorful. Yeah, I think Mississippi gonna like that. I know I do. Put it over some of that cauliflower rice, and it's on. All right, y'all. Please like, subscribe, hit that thumbs up. Tell somebody about Big Papa. Some of you big time folk that's out there. I say big time, but you people that got a lot of subscribers, tell some of your people to come over here and check Big Papa out. He not that bad. Yeah, he doing all right. So tell some of them to come over and check him out, and they might like it. But with that said, it ain't how you look in the kitchen. It's how you cook in the kitchen. You ain't gotta look good to cook good. So get on in that kitchen. I gotta get that off of there. And cook you up something good to eat. Big Papa gonna be out, y'all.